Hello, in this Inlinks Academy video, we're going to see how to audit an existing page within a website for a target keyword. So I will access a project I have built with 100 pages for the US market, and I already have a pillar page I'd like to audit for a specific keyword, which is the following. So I have this page which ranks for the keyword men's rings in the 13th position in the SERPs, and this keyword has an average monthly search of 60,000. So I'm going to audit this the content of this page for this keyword. Click on audit and hit the OK button. So once we launch an audit on Inlinks, the Inlinks NLP is going to analyze the top 10 best ranked pages in the United States for this keyword, build a knowledge graph of entities of these competing articles, and compares that with the topics or entities I have been using within of this page. So it is essentially a gap analysis in order to show you what are the missing topics you could be expanding on. Once my audit for the keyword of men's rings is ready within Inlinks, we can see that the content of the page goes here in this content editor. And on the right hand side here we have the list of topics analysis, or the entities that I have used in my content compared to the top 10 competing articles, and these will be shown with this green box. And we can see also some of the missing entities. These will be shown with this gray box. And we can filter these by going on this menu here, and I can filter the topics by the missing ones, and I can see the entities that I have been missing within my content. So, and as I can see on this part here, content score, the current score of the article is 27%, and we recommend to reach a score of 80% and above while covering the relevant missing entities here. So I'm going to shorten this video a little bit and include some of these missing entities on the content editor. I'm going to update and expand my content with some of these content editor, and come back and then show you how the content score will improve. So I have updated my existing page with some of the relevant entities I have seen in the list of topics analysis. I have included some of the relevant topics such as gold, fashion. I have also included the topic of pricing here in a section. I have also spoken about titanium and some other ones that were missing, and as we can see, the score has evolved to 90%, which is a good score on the audit. So the idea, if you have a low score when you do an audit, try to cover the missing relevant topics within the content editor, and then measure what your SEO score. And so this is essentially how the audit feature within Inlinks works. You just putting for one of your existing pages its target keyword, just launch an audit. And if the score is low, below 80%, just focus on the relevant entities on this part of the tool. Update your content. It could be a new section of the page. It can be simply including those words within the existing section, and then measure your score. Hopefully 80% or better. So this was a brief walkthrough on how content audits work on Inlinks. I hope this is useful, and I'll be speaking to you very soon.